This printer is Canon Pixma TS3750i. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up for the first time. We're going to install the ink cartridges, load paper, and also align the printer. First of all, take the power cable, connect the power cable to this port on the back. Connect it to the socket. Switch the printer on from this button. Open ink access door. Open this door. The ink holder is already positioned itself on the center. To install the ink, pull this holder, this blue holder down. Then take the cartridges. This is black. Remove this plastic. This contact part needs to go inside, and black ink goes to the right. So you go in, then pull the holder up. Do the same thing to the color. Remove this plastic. Then go in, the colored one goes to the left. Then put the holder up. Close the door and wait for the printer to recognize the ink. The light will be highlighting. So once the light stops, you know that the ink cartridges is now set up. So the light will be highlighting. Once the light stops, then you know that the ink is recognized. If you want to replace or remove the ink, just need to open the door and wait for the ink holder to move and position itself. So the ink holder has now moved and positioned itself. Just pull down the ink holder and remove the cartridges accordingly. To put it back, go in, pull it up, go in again, pull it up, then close the cover, then wait. Now I want to show you how to load paper. So take decent amount of paper, go at the back. This is A4, then adjust it. And also on the paper select button, you need to press this button to select A4. A4, then select OK. So this is how to select paper. I want to show you how to load 4x6 photo paper. I'm going to remove this A4 paper. So this is 4x6 photo paper or 10 by 15 centimeter. So to load 4x6 photo paper, you need to make sure the printable area, the smooth part or glossy part, need to face up. So go to the rear tray, load the paper with the printable area facing up, then adjust this paper clip. Select paper select button to select correct paper 4x6 kg 4x6 10 by 15 centimeter, then select OK. So this is how to load paper. Now we're going to remove this paper so that we can load A4 as we are going to complete alignment. So this is A4 paper. Adjust this. So this is how to load paper. Make sure you don't overload it, and also select A4. Select OK to confirm the paper. Now the next thing I want to show you is how to align the printer. Align the printer to get best print quality. So select this button, to number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then select copy color so that it will print out alignment. You take the print out, place it on the scanner, and also make sure it starts from this black part. Face down. Select copy color or black to proceed. So it's going to scan the paper. The power light will be highlighting. Once it's done, the light will be steady. Then you discard this paper. This is how to install the ink cartridges, load papers, and align the printer. Thank you very much indeed.